Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable billing on your Google Cloud project. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So as you can see, currently we are right here on the googlecloud.google.com, and this is the main website. We're going to go to your console for the cloud. Now from here, all you have to do is go to the three dots in the navigation menu, and then go and click on the billing button. Once you do so, it's going to redirect to this site right here, where you can see my billing account. This is just a previous one that I had before. And so to achieve this, all you have to do is once it sends you to the old one, where you can see in this profile right here, you're going to click on create account. Once you click on create account, you're going to see the billing name and the country and the currency. So for this one, we're just going to show demonstration, and then we're going to click on continue. Once you click continue, it's going to redirect to this page where it's going to ask you for the payment method, and so the transaction fees will be set to this one. Once you click and change it to whatever you want, click on submit and enable billing. Once that is done, it's going to load it, and then after that, it's going to get to this page where it's going to verify that it's you. Click on continue, and then depending on your payment method, it's going to redirect you and ask you to confirm it on your application, either for your bank account or for your credit card or whatever reason it is. Once you click on approve, you're going to click on the button that says I have confirmed the app, and then once you click on it, it's going to load this page again. And there you go. As you can see, now you have your billing enabled for your project. You can set a monthly budget and you can edit whatever you want in it from all the options right here. And so you can choose your billing account, so my billing account or the project that you have made. And so from here you can customize it for whatever you want. And once you click on manage billing account, it's going to send you to this page right here where you're going to see all the demonstrations for this one, and you can rename it or close it or do whatever you want with it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.